Right guys, let's do some more backtests. And why backtests? They're useful just because you can memorize the patterns and shape. Once you start to see them, you won't forget anymore. It's like your first love. Okay, so we are on the daily chart. I would take a quick look on the weekly, see this spike up, see this move up. Possibly people here, what they would expect a slingshot on the way up, but you have to see what signs you get in there. So at the moment, all I can see here is that for doing a quick analysis, that this one didn't get to the previous high. Okay, could we expect a slingshot on the way down? Not really guys, because the slingshot would be if you break this previous low. All right, if this previous low is broken, okay, then yes, but at the moment it didn't do that. So is what I see at the moment is only that. Could this be a double top? Yes, it could be as well, but there are so many candles in the middle that form a different structure. So all I can tell is drop, base, drop, possibly, unless he wants to retest and go on the way up. So guys, what you do, I normally like to use the 4-hour chart. I would see that the range is forming here, and you can use also the MACD. However, the MACD it tells indicator only indicates, guys. Okay, it tells you things that you cannot see with the naked eye. So I could even jump on the 1-hour chart and start to see things. I could take a trade down on the way down if I see the MACD helps me, but let it retrace on the 1-hour chart, guys, is one time, but on 4-hour chart one time, but on the 1-hour chart, let the MACD retrace two times and a half. What I mean by that is that when the MACD normally goes down, please notice, pay attention there, MACD goes down, you let the price retrace up, and then only then you could take a trade on the way down. Anyway, let's proceed. And what I can see here, let's make it a bit bigger. All right, I start to see, not yet. There's not really sign. This could easily also go up, you never know. Platinum is a bit crazy. All right, so MACD touched that. Once that is touched, what you do, you could just prepare and possibly take a trade on the way down, right? So I would prepare my order. Where will I put it? Shall I put it there? Shall I put it there? I would wait for me to be filled in there. A limit, guys, okay? If the price should go up, then I would put the stop loss where? Outside, inside. I just put it there, leave it there. So some possible target, I would go back on the daily and, actually on the H4, and I would see this here. Obviously, this is another target here, but for now, I just leave it there. See, what do I get? Don't hope for the moon, guys, because these are just patterns that maybe they could not go the way we want, because metals, they are a bit crazy. Well, I'm used to crazy things, you know, guys, so it's fine. Let's see if he goes up and get filled. It did with that spike. Possibly it could be another one, no? Some people obviously will take the trade, go down here, retrace and go back down. Possibly. Okay, that could have been another one, but we don't know things. Right, as soon as it touched that level, guys, you see, which was correspondent to this one, well, a bit more like this, is more like an area. The pair went down again. Now, since the target has been reached here, what I'll do, guys, this is more like a series of showing not the usual double top, double bottom, breakouts, pin bar, or other things. This is a combination of all the patterns combined together. Now, if I stay on this chart and I scroll it a bit more, I will see if I get some other price action for me to take some other patterns. Okay, so you would do that. Actually, let me scroll it so we save time, and if I find something, guys, I will let you know soon.